Hey, hello friends, today I'm gonna share you one more indicator strategy. Go to the tradingview.com. In the indicator section, search Q trend. In the settings Q trend, make the ATR period 10 and the ATR multiplier 3. Add one more indicator for more accuracy, that is supertrend. Now both the indicators are applied. When the Q trend indicator gives you the buy signal and along with that super trend indicator is in green, buy the call. When the Q trend indicator gives you the sell signals and along with that super trend indicator is in red, sell the call. Before applying it to the real money trading, do backtest the indicator, do paper trade, minimize the stop loss and gain more profits. At the last, don't forget to follow the page.